Have you ever felt confused about the different components of Android development? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of Android's ViewModel and the MVVM design pattern to clarify how they relate. I totally get it. The world of software design patterns can be overwhelming, especially when terms like ViewModel pop up in different contexts. You're definitely not the only one trying to make sense of this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked, does Android's ViewModel have something to do with the ViewModel from the MVVM pattern? This is a great question and one that many developers ponder. To understand this, we need to break down both concepts. The MVVM pattern is a design pattern that separates the representation of information from the user's interaction with it. Meanwhile, Android's ViewModel is a specific implementation that helps manage UI-related data in a lifecycle-conscious way. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these two concepts connect, and I promise you'll feel more confident in your Android development skills. To understand the relationship between Android's ViewModel and the MVVM pattern, the user should first recognize that Android's ViewModel is designed to store and manage UI-related data in a lifecycle-conscious way. Next, the user should note that the ViewModel in Android serves as a bridge between the view and the model. It allows data to survive configuration changes, such as screen rotations. Additionally, the user should understand that the ViewModel exposes data streams to the view, which aligns with the MVVM pattern's goal of separating the UI from the business logic. Finally, the user can conclude that while Android's ViewModel is a specific implementation, it embodies the principles of the MVVM pattern, making it easier to build responsive and maintainable applications. Fun fact: the MVVM pattern was originally developed for use with WPF applications in .NET. It has since become a popular choice for various frameworks, including Android. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user clarifies that Android's ViewModel and the ViewModel from the MVVM pattern are different concepts. The Android ViewModel is primarily designed to manage UI-related data, ensuring it survives configuration changes like screen rotations. They also point out that the Android ViewModel acts more like a state holder for the UI, rather than fully implementing the MVVM pattern, which involves a more structured interaction between components. Here's a quick takeaway. While Android's ViewModel is a specific implementation of the ViewModel concept in MVVM, it is tailored to fit the needs of Android development, making it a powerful tool for developers. And there you have it. Now you understand the relationship between Android's ViewModel and the MVVM pattern. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more insights and keep exploring the exciting world of Android development.